I am planning to watch a movie and eat all the foods that they show in it while I watch it. Specifically for the movie, The Menu. It's about a restaurant that is a really highly rated sort of Michelin star level restaurant isolated on an island. And there are people who are invited to dine at this very exclusive restaurant, and they have to actually take a boat from land to this island to actually get there. So it's supposed to be a very interesting social commentary on like the high-end foodie culture. I thought it'd be fun to just do a little parody slash immersive experience where I actually eat all the foods that are shown in the movie while the characters are eating it. And as the food comes out, I'll have something that's reminiscent or similar to the dishes that they're eating. I'll keep the food fresh and warm, and once we watch it and the scenes begin with the different courses, that's when I'll also bring the food courses out for us to enjoy. It won't be exact and it won't be like a Michelin star level, but I think it'll be fun to cook some of the meals. I'm gonna take you with me to the grocery store. There's a couple recipes that I think are super easy, so I can just make my own take on it. And then a couple recipes that I've already ordered on DoorDash. It'll be an elevated dining experience with the characters like I'm in the movie. But I don't think I want to actually be some of the characters in the movie. If I remember correctly, I don't think it ends well. I'm excited to do it. We're gonna get going to shopping now.